In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new URL redirect. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently send visitors from an old page to a new one without breaking links or hurting the user experience. This is especially useful when you change page URLs, remove outdated content, or move content to a different section or even a different site. First, look at the top navigation bar of your dashboard and find the settings icon. This is usually represented by a small gear. Go ahead and click that. The settings area is where you control how your site behaves behind the scenes, and redirects are part of that. Once you're in settings, move your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see different sections. You want to navigate to the section labeled Content, and under that, select Domains and URLs. This is where all of your domain-related settings live, including the area for managing redirects. When that page loads, look for a tab labeled URL Redirects and click it. This tab is your main hub for viewing existing redirects and creating new ones. If you ever need to edit or review your redirects in the future, this is where you'll come back. Next, in the top right corner of this page, click the button that says Add URL Redirect. This will open the form where you'll set up the details for your new redirect. You'll be asked to select a redirect type. There are typically two options here. Standard is used when you want to redirect one specific URL to another specific URL. For example, sending traffic from an old blog post URL directly to the new version of that post. Flexible is used when you want to redirect based on a structure or pattern, such as redirecting all URLs that follow a certain format to a new format. This is especially handy during larger site restructures. After choosing the type that fits your situation, enter the original URL, which is the old path people might still be visiting, and then enter the redirect to URL, which is the new destination you want them to land on. If you're redirecting to a page on a different site or domain, make sure you include the full address, including the HTTPS prefix, so the system knows exactly where to send visitors. When you've double-checked both URLs to make sure there are no typos, click Add URL Redirect to save your changes. Your redirect will now be active, and anyone visiting the old URL will be automatically sent to the new one.